Hello. Hello, everybody. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of 5. I'm an author. I'm a meditation guide. I am a woman who is in her house with all of her children and her wonderful husband and all of her pets, just like a lot of people are, during this really, really, really weird new normal time that we are all going to get through, because we're going to be there for each other and we're going to stay inside if we can, right? Hello, Kieran. Thanks for joining me. So what are we doing today? We're going to meditate today. If you've been following along with these daily meditations, you can track how my hair is doing by the number of days that I have the same hairstyle. So I stretched my blowout out for 8 days, and I've been rocking this one for 4 days. And when the scarf goes on, we are in critical time to wash the hair mode. So that's what's happening with the head wrap today. I'm really excited to be meditating with you all every day because, first of all, I'm meeting so many new people. So many people are saying that they're meditating for the first time and really loving it, which is great because it is so important to connect to yourself every single day. I mean, I don't really care if you meditate. I just want you to connect with yourself. And it gives me an opportunity as an extrovert to alleviate my suffering a little bit because I need people. I miss people. I miss hugging my friends. And this kind of feels like a virtual big hug, a big group hug. So that's really cool. Light and love, Travis. What's going on? What's going on? Really quick, I just want to get through some things that are going on Friday. If you're watching this live on Friday, March 27th, I am moderating a call with 2 amazing women, one of whom, She Rose, just had a baby. She is a doula. She is an activist for Black wellness, an activist and advocate for Black wellness. It's going to be a really, really great conversation about medical racism. The link is in the video description. I also have links for you to pick up my books for free to try to help you get through these times. You have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, which is a meditation book for everybody. It's really, really, really good. I have Managing the Motherload, which is for moms. Pick it up. I'm bookmarking all these. These are things I read out loud. This is my copy. Managing the Motherload. And then I have my children's book, my mindfulness and meditation book, Zara's Big Messy Day, which is now available in a Spanish language edition. All of those are available in digital versions for free, and the information is in the video description. So pick up those links as well. Let's get meditating. Hey, Ian, what's going on? Hello, Lee Ann Bradshaw. Oh, you're in Barbados. How's the weather down there? How are you doing? How are you hanging in? Did the corona get you? What's happening down in Barbados? My first doula client was actually from Barbados. I'm a doula too, a birth doula. Let's drop in, folks. And by drop in, I mean, let's take that deep breath in and let that big breath out that allows us to settle into our easy and comfortable seat. We are choosing to be here in this moment for ourselves. We are choosing ourselves in this moment because when we choose ourselves and we fill up our own cups, we can do so much great stuff in the world. So big inhale. Exhale, drop in. That feels good. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, drop in. It's amazing. As soon as I got quiet, I started hearing the birds outside tweeting. When you get quiet, you notice so many things, including your thoughts, which are great. Listen to your thoughts. Be with them. I know a lot of us think that meditation is about thinking about nothing, and I have never met that person that can do that. So, not a great goal. I've been doing this every day for 26 years, and I've never had a totally clear mind. I've had a totally focused mind. But empty? Now that you're sitting comfortably, if you already have your eyes closed, great. If that feels uncomfortable for you, just go ahead and focus on an object, a spot across the room, a place on the floor past the tip of your nose. Make meditation work for you. Be comfortable in your seat. Feel easy in your breath. Never force anything that doesn't feel natural. So with that, I want you to bring your attention, your full attention, to your easy and natural inhales and exhales as they are right now. If you want to make your breath big and deep, that's cool. If you just want to focus on what's happening, whether they're short and shallow, long and smooth and deep, it's of no matter. Where you are right now is the perfect place to start, and that is always true in every moment. Inhale and exhale. Let's make sure we're not holding on to any tension in our bodies by scanning from the very top of our heads, the crown of our heads, all the way down to our seat. Notice your forehead. Relax it if you can. The muscles behind your eyes, your jaw. Let the bottom jaw just hang a bit. Maybe place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Part your lips just a little bit. Notice your shoulders. Allow them to drop down and back. Maybe inhale your shoulders up to your ears and roll your shoulders back, down and along your spine. Notice your belly. Are you holding it in? Allow it to be soft and round. Feel yourself rooted in your seat. Notice the surface below you. Settle even deeper into that support. Allow the surface below you to hold you and support you. Feel grounded, rooted in this moment, anchored in peace. When you are here on purpose, intentionally, when you have created a place of peace and calm for yourself, when you anchor yourself in the here and now, in this moment, committed to being here for yourself, nothing can knock you off center. You are rooted down. You are anchored firmly. This is your time. Say that to yourself, either silently or out loud with a whisper. This is my time. This is my time. Inhale and say it on the exhale. Inhale. This is my time. Silence is not just the absence of sound. I hear cars moving, birds singing, leaves rustling. Silence is removing clutter, noise, things that don't matter, that are disturbing peace. Settle into the silence of this moment. You might hear sounds, but you are free of clutter. You are seated in peace. noticing the sounds of your environment, being fully in this moment, noticing my voice, the sound of your in and out breaths. Be in the silence. And in the same way, stillness is not the absence of movement. Things are moving all around you and inside of you. Your heart is beating, affirming you as a powerful life force. Your lungs expanding and contracting with every breath. Blood pulsing through your veins. Stillness is merely removing the clutter, the discomfort, the need to do when we don't have to, the need to be productive when we need to rest. Release that for yourself. Appreciate how healing stillness can be when you choose it intentionally. Let's be in the silence and the stillness for just a few breaths. And while you breathe in and out, acknowledge how good it feels physically and how good it feels to be doing this lovingly for yourself. Inhale and exhale. Good. You're so good at this. This is all meditation is. Being in that stillness, that silence that you choose, that you create. Being there for yourself, saying, hey friend, I see you. I love you. I'm here to listen because you deserve to be heard. That's all it is. That's all it is. It's so easy. It's so easy to be there for yourself. Slowly with your next breath, I'd like you to take your hands and place them in prayer in front of your heart space, or one hand over the other, just to feel your heartbeat, just to connect with that inside life force, connecting the outside, your hands with the inside of everything that's moving and giving you vitality and affirming your worthiness of being here. Feel your chest rise and fall with your breath. Know that your lungs are working for you. And everything, at least in this moment, is in perfect working order because you are making it so. Bow your head just a bit. Prepare yourself to come back to the space, taking your time, And with one more breath, go ahead and flutter your eyes open. Hello, 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 hello. Ah, Simran, Gole, hello, friend. Hello, thank you for showing up, my talented friend who speaks to the spirits every day and listens to them speak back to her. You have to check her out. She's awesome. I gotta tell you, no matter what's going on in the first part of my day, when I sit, this is the second meditation of my day. I do one on my own and then I do one with you. It allows me to reset and prepare myself for the rest of the day. And I feel prepared for whatever comes, because I have rooted down and I have given myself the strength. Yeah. And sometimes I have received it from the collective consciousness, from God, from Source, whatever you want to call it. I call on that help and that assistance as well. But just that connection makes me all the more powerful. And again, I don't care if you meditate. I do not care if you meditate. I just want you to find a way to connect with yourself in a meaningful way. Listen to yourself every single day. Pray, speak to your creator. Speak to the collective consciousness. Connect with another human being so that you may remind yourself that that is a mirror of you. Connection is key. Relationships are key, as my mentor Patrice Jackson says. Relationships are primary, and that first relationship that you need to forge and make sure is solid is that relationship with yourself. That's what meditation does for me. Lee Ann Bradshaw says, we are doing well, sunny and warm in Barbados. This too shall pass, and we will be a better world. I am holding so much space for that. We're going to be a better world because we are going to show up better. We're going to show up better. That's what it takes. We are the world. We are our governments. We are the people. We have the power to make change. So if all of us step up and take that opportunity, we can do this, right? We can make it better. So I say this at the end of every single video. First of all, check out the links in the video description for my free offerings. I'm doing this because I love you. Doesn't cost me anything to give stuff away, the digital stuff away anyway, and I want you to have it. So it's an easy way for me to give, and I know that all of you have easy ways for you to give too, your time, your talent, or your treasure. I say this every time I close out a video. I want to thank you for showing up for me and for yourself, because it inspires and compels me to show up for you and myself. And 3 times to affirm, to make it really true, and so that you really receive it. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I, from the bottom of my heart, I adore you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Carol says, my shoulders and arms are looking stronger. Have I been working out? I have not, but I did cut out the fast food since we've been in isolation, and I lost a couple pounds. So I always have muscle underneath. Have a good one, everyone. Thanks for joining me.